BYD, the second largest electric car manufacturer in the world, has begun construction of a new factory in Thailand with an annual capacity of 150,000 cars to be completed in 2024. BYD is planning to expand its manufacturing base to Europe as part of its goal to become one of the top 3 EV companies in Europe by 2030. Germany, France, Spain, Hungary, and Poland are on the list of 10 countries where it might build its next factory. The UK is not on the list, as Michael Shue, the head of European operations, said that without Brexit, the UK might have been considered. A report from the Tony Blair Institute of Global Change concluded that Brexit has been an utter disaster, hobbled business and industry, slashes investment in the country, and robbed the treasury of billions in tax revenue. The UK's economic hit from Brexit has been greater than forecast on all but one indicator: the exports of goods, and is estimated to be 5.5% poorer now than it would have been had it stayed in the EU.
How dare you!